In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore iCloud photos on iPhone on iOS 18. So you basically want to restore your photos from iCloud to your iPhone on your iOS 18 device. So this video is going to walk you through. So if you're done on this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do is open the settings app on your iPhone. Then click on your Apple account, that is the profile picture first under settings. Then once you selected that, you want to scroll down and click on iCloud. So once you selected iCloud, scroll up a bit, then come to saving is pause and click on photos. Then if you see sync this iPhone is turned off, go ahead and turn it on. Then you should see turn it on. Then if you have enough space on your iPhone or iCloud storage, you will be able to restore your photo to this iPhone. This might take a couple of minutes depending on the total number of photos you have on your iCloud account. But once you turn on sync this iPhone and is enabled, your photos will be restored back to your Photos app from the iCloud and you will have access to them. So this is how you can easily restore photos from iCloud to your iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.